Alright guys, I'm going to run the corrected video for the 3-winner mystery box. Dice roll's always been 5 or higher, so that's the reason we're redoing this. It sucks that we got to do that, but it's what has to be done because that's the way we've always done it. So we are live, 8 o'clock. We've got 15 entries, weight on top, weight on bottom, dice roll 5 or higher. 6 times, good luck, top 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next click top 3. Ben, Wade, John. Verification code. Done at 8:01 p.m. Congrats to the winners. The available boxes are listed above. Please PM me your choice. Thanks.